Amber Case, COM Technology, Principles and Patterns for Non-Intrusive Design. Welcome to the enlightening world of COM Technology, Principles and Patterns for Non-Intrusive Design by Amber Case. This insightful book takes a dive into the human side of technology by exploring principles and patterns that make using technology seamless and unobtrusive. Inspired by the work of Mark Weiser and John Seely Brown, COM Technology aims to improve the way devices communicate with users and with each other to add value to people's lives, without overwhelming them. Get ready to explore the 8 principles of COM Technology, learn about communication channels, and see how COM Technology can improve both everyday objects and organizations.
Embracing COM Technology. Technology can be frustrating and complex, but researchers Mark Weiser and John Seely Brown's philosophy of COM Technology can guide designers and engineers to make technology seamless and user-friendly. The focus is on the human side of technology and making it disappear into the background until necessary. In the early 21st century, as technology continues to grow, COM Technology is more relevant than ever. COM Technology. Xerox PARC researchers, Mark Weiser and John Brown, envisioned a future of ubiquitous computing where computers would be everywhere. They coined the term ubiquitous computing and worked on making technology more humanized to reflect how the human mind works. Their work, which included the principles of COM Technology, went largely unnoticed in the 1980s and 1990s, but is highly relevant in today's world of ubiquitous computing. The 4 stages of technological development. Computers have gone through 4 stages of development. During the first stage, computers were large mainframes confined to specialized fields. The second stage saw the development of personal computers that people could use for individual applications like word processing. The third stage was the Internet age, where computers connected with one another, and devices like laptops and smartphones served only as interfaces. The fourth and current stage is distributed computing, where devices can store and process information across a network. The Internet of Things has allowed billions of devices to communicate with each other, making it essential to ensure they do not overwhelm users. This is where COM Technology comes in, providing principles and methodologies to address risks brought about by technological complexity. By communicating data effectively and establishing redundancy of devices, COM Technology ensures that technology adds function and value to people's lives without taking their attention away from more important tasks. Principles of COM Technology. The principles of COM Technology encourage the creation of devices that are minimally invasive and seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. These principles include communicating without interrupting, providing quiet feedback, utilizing peripheral attention, and respecting social norms. Designers should strive for simplicity, backup plans, and emotional cues to enhance user experience and minimize complexity. Technology is an integral part of our lives. Even tasks like writing, which appear to be passive and intuitive, have technological underpinnings. However, many technologies fail to deliver the level of ease of use that would make them disappear into our daily lives. To address this, the principles of COM Technology rest on 8 guidelines that foster an unobtrusive user experience. The first principle holds that technology should require the least possible amount of attention. Today's users often interact with multiple screens and apps simultaneously, so technology should communicate without interrupting. Indicators, such as status lights that convey power or connectivity, allow users to remain productive while staying updated. The second principle is that technology should inform and create calm. COM Technology uses understated, quiet mechanisms to inform users of their status. For example, a ride-sharing app might vibrate when your driver is nearby, eliminating the need for constant checking. Anxiety-inducing notifications should be avoided unless necessary. Third, technology should make use of periphery attention. People are capable of both direct and peripheral attention, the latter doesn't compromise our ability to focus but keeps us aware of our surroundings. Technology designed to accommodate peripheral attention is more likely to achieve a seamless user experience. For example, traffic lights inform drivers of their status without creating disruption. Fourth, technology should amplify the best of both technology and humanity. The goal of well-designed technology should be to complement, not replace human abilities. Computers must also understand context to facilitate communication. Effective technology uses human emotional cues to improve user experience. Fifth, technology can communicate, but it shouldn't need to speak. Technology must communicate with users to achieve its goal, but it should engage only peripheral attention. Voice-activated assistants often require a user's full attention, making them a problematic area for comm technology. Designers should use human senses effectively, such as sight, sound, or touch, to minimize intrusion. Sixth, technology should work even when it fails. Heavily engineered passenger jets can glide even if their engines fail. Similarly, smaller technology must provide backup options to mitigate disappointment when it fails. For example, users should be able to silence a smoke detector even if it's difficult to turn off. Seventh, the right amount of technology is the minimum required to solve the problem. Technology should simplify solutions to improve effectiveness and minimize complexity. This allows technology to disappear into our environment and become unobtrusive. Finally, technology should respect social norms. Users expect technology to make their lives easier and not disrupt their routines. Designers should create products that enhance existing social norms, rather than displace them. In conclusion, the principles of comm technology encourage the creation of minimally invasive, seamless devices that improve user experience. Designers need to consider how technology interacts with its users to minimize complexity, offer backup plans, and use emotional cues to complement human abilities. By following these principles, designers can create technology that blends into our routines and enhances our lives. Designing technology for human communication. Technologies that use visual, sound, and touch communication channels can interact with people in context and enhance their experiences. In comm technology, designers use awareness, sense, and cognition to respect human communication patterns and avoid high-resolution disruptions. Comm technology focuses on minimizing intrusions and leveraging ambient awareness to enrich interactions. Visual communication through color indicators can work well with users' peripheral attention. Sound communication, when necessary, should be unobtrusive and soothing. Haptic communication, through various touch sensations, can convey information in a safe way and reduce potential distraction. Comm technology can amplify the best parts of both machines and people, respecting individuals' roles and never crossing boundaries. Persuasive technology, such as apps that monitor emotional states or promote positive habits, can also benefit from comm techniques to motivate certain behaviors. Overall, comm technology seeks to enhance human experiences by designing technology that communicates in ways that respect and enrich human communication. Incorporating comm technology. The book suggests using evaluation tools to design comm technology that considers the user's context, environment, and information being conveyed. These strategies can apply to simple and complex technology and improve the functionality of everyday objects and existing products. The importance of comm technology in organizational principles. With the increasing number of devices in the world, the way they communicate with us is crucial. Comm technology, which focuses on the user experience, has value as an organizational principle because it aligns well with objectives such as reducing costs and complexity and allows more consideration of customer needs. Implementing comm principles requires changing how companies structure teams with small teams that facilitate collaboration and management buy-in to ensure following comm principles. Comm principles should inform product launches and marketing to shape products consistently. Leaders must bring comm principles to all major organizational functions for them to take root. Companies that correctly apply comm technology can have a critical competitive advantage. Apple is a prime example of designing products with an intuitive, effective interface that keeps customers returning.
As we journey through the fascinating concepts presented in Amber Case's calm technology, it becomes evident how essential calm techniques are in an era of increasing technological complexity. The book explores the importance of making technology unobtrusive, informative, and respectful of social norms to create a seamless user experience. With the 8 calm technology principles and proper implementation in organizational practices, businesses can create products that effectively enhance users' lives while ensuring their attention is focused on the most important aspects. In an ever-growing world of interconnected devices, calm technology will hold the keys to designing products that successfully navigate the balance between functionality and simplicity.